the Formula 1.
Go fast. Let's even change your face, Wanda.
Oh, just
okay.
Stand by for right side. It's not launch sequence complete. Test successful.
nice one.
Open your video. Open.
Nice one.
Thank you for your participation.
Good. Thank you.
Is it? Huh? Good? Ano feeling?
Wala, parang malakas lang yung
Hangin. Okay. Welcome to our vlog.
Kuha ka naman sa mga ba?
Yung ayoko, yun na nga. Paakyat guys. Palpitation is real after.
هذا بس العكس. ايوه ما انت قاعد And this is, what's your name? Axel.
Hi to the vlog.
Ay, shout out to our new friend ng from na-meet natin dito. Si Amy, si Axel, tsaka yung husband niya. Shout out and follow din po sa FB page niya.
Woke up this morning and the streets were full of cars. All bright and shiny like they just arrived from Mars.
So, nag-commute lang kami. Ang Ate Avenue ay point to point from Wakra Station, yung last station to the last station do sa Il. Tapos magtatanong tayo kung saan tayo sasakay ng bus. So abangan natin kasi first time din namin to. Sabi meron daw bus going to Lusail Circuit. So ayan, day 2 ng ating Formula 1. Yan. So yung ganap kagabi, wala kami nakitang Mariah Carey. Wala rin naman kumanta. So, ang sabi sa amin, may nagsabi sa IG na keso nandun daw, baka as a audience or spectator. Baka VVVIP siya. Pero, hindi siya kumanta. So, ayan. Luhaan kaming umuwi. Pero okay lang. Experience naman. Hindi magtatawaran ang experience. So, ayan. Abangan nyo kung saan kami susunod na pupunta. So, first time to ng Ate Avenue and the ARAM na mag-explore. Going to Lusail Circuit using metro station yan, and bus. Ciao! So guys, we are in the right path. Si Kabayan ang nagsabi, diretso lang dito, pagbaba, merong bus going to Lusail Circuit. So, let's explore. ARAM. O, diba? Ganyan kaganda ang Qatar. Meron, tinatamad ka maglakad, pwede ka dyan sa Wakaliton.
Yes!
To the bus station, guys. Going to Lusail Circuit. Nice. See? Very organized naman pala. Organized naman pala siya. So, okay. Mas maaga, mas maganda. Guys, parang Pinas, nakatayo lang. Punuan yung mga nakatayo. Pero we're going to Lusail Circuit na standing ovation.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you want to send me yours.
Ayan, ito yung tinatawag na sulit ang lakad. Ang layo, day. Mga ka-BFF, ang layo. Ayan, nandito tayo sa gate 2.
Lando Norris leads the McLaren 1-2, and it's the smallest of margins between the British driver and the Australian. 39 100ths of a second. No.
Kumain ka?
Paano na yan kapag Bruno Mars?
Bruno Mars kaya ko tiisin. Bukas, see you.
Frustrating day yesterday, but not all hope. Could Verstappen still win his championship today? What do we think, guys?
Yeah, I mean, for me, it's no surprise that McLaren, I agree with you, were quick. We saw yesterday the pace that they had. They made mistakes yesterday. No mistakes from either driver, and so happy for Oscar Piastri on that sort of.
Kayo ka doon. Guys, iba talaga iba ang struggle pagka meron kang sugar. Pero dahil vlogger tayo, go, push. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa mga food court. Isa sa mga food court. Pero ito talaga yung struggle. Pakita ko sa inyo. So nakita niyo haba ng pila. Nandun pa yung pero ang haba na nung linya. Kaya kapila tayo sa may Pizza Hut. So iba talaga pag nagutom na naman ako. Nag-hypo ako. Pero sige, kaya to, laban lang para sa for the content. Ayan. And for the experience din. Ayan. Ano ka? Kamusta ka, Ram? Kita mo na yung schedule for today?
Mamaya pa yung
Mamaya pa.
pasta.
Okay. See you guys.